Hi there, Dr. Gary here on the road. We are dental practice brokers nationwide. I was a dentist for 25 years, and now we're doing the dental practice brokerage for 14 years. Today's topic is buyers and sellers of dental practices. Don't get overwhelmed or discouraged if your bank turns down the deal because it's somewhat complicated. We'll get into that. As you know, now we're in 22 states. We have 10 employees, and we continue to be nationwide, and we're very excited about it. We're open to you now 363 days a year. We take off Christmas and Easter. We're available at phone number 201-663-0935. And our website is dentalpracticeguide.com or nationwidedentalpracticebrokers.com. All right? When you sign up with us, it doesn't cost anything. You'll get our monthly list of practices for sale, which is the most current, up-to-date information. So let us know when you're interested, and we'll just call us and we'll send you out the non-disclosure agreement. All right? Now, if you're thinking about everything you're about to hear is for entertainment purposes, it's not legal advice. If you're thinking about selling to a DSO or one of the corporate dentistries, call us. We know many of them. We work with them on a daily basis. We know who the best ones for you are. We're independent of them. And they also often will pay our commission. So there's no commission to you as a seller. And if you do work for us, we will, on larger deals, we'll get your legal fees reimbursed. Or if you have a practice doing over 1.5 million, even if you don't sell to a DSO, we'll get your legal fees reimbursed at successful closing based on certain criteria. So anyway, you're going to find if a deal is somewhat complicated, you need the right bank for that. It's not all about the lowest rate, although we want to get you the lowest rate, but it's not all about that. It is the lowest, you want the deal to go to closing. It's really what you want. And some banks are significantly better and apt to get their arms around the deal, to understand the deal. There's one bank we work with. They've been doing it for 30 years. They understand complicated deals. They can get their arms around it. Whereas some of the conventional dental banks can't figure it out. They just get overwhelmed with it. So that is a great opportunity for you to investigate which banks can get the deal to closing, and not necessarily the lowest rate. Because the lowest rate's not going to do you anything if they can't go to closing. It's going to closing. And if they're going to take a risk, it's probably worth the risk for you, because most of our deals are still 100% bank financing, no money down for the buyer. Continues to be that way, even though the interest rates are a little higher. So choosing the right bank, and that's where we can help you. We can help you navigate the waters of getting to the right banks, which is so important. And you want to get every deal to go to closing. Usually banking is not a problem, but some deals have a little bit, they have some hair on it. They're a little more complicated. And don't get discouraged if you see a bank denying you. Sometimes they don't want to put the effort in. Don't want to put the effort in of understanding the deal. Can't get their arms around it, they just go south. They'll go pick up another deal that does not as complicated. And that's what happens. So be aware of that. So anyway, if you want to hear more of this, hit the subscribe button. Spring is around the corner. We'll be doing more and more YouTube videos. We have 421, 22 now. It's quite a few. So sign up with us. Hit the subscribe button. You'll get alerted when we did these. I did 3 of them today. So we keep growing, and we're more than happy to help you. We hope this information gives you an explanation of what the buying and selling a dental office world is like. We try to give you that cutting edge information because we try to stay on our game every day. All right, thank you so much for listening. Get ready for the next one. It should be out soon. Bye now.